traders, welcome back. In this video I'm going to analyze the silver chart on 14th of March 2023 and show you some positions that you can make and see what's gonna happen next. Then I'm gonna show you the positions that I made yesterday on 13th of March 2023. So before we start the video, I want you to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It's some clicks for you, but it really helps me and gives me the energy to make better videos for you. Thank you, and let's start now. As you can see, the gold was in this channel for something like a month, and right now it is broken to the upside from this channel, and we can have some upward moves in that. But if we switch to 15-minute time frame, in my previous video I told you that we have some trend lines which with the break of them we can go for buy and sell positions. I told you that we can go for buy position here and put our stop loss below the candles, which it touched our stop loss. And again I told you that if we break this trend line we can go for sell position, but we have to consider this trend line too, okay? Which it touched this trend line and made two actually pin bars and started going up. Okay, we could have some buy positions here and go for buy buy position and make our profits with that. Yeah, we did have two stop loss in a row here, which is, you know, a part of our job. Actually, we do risk every day, and if we win, we win big. If we lose small. Okay, actually this one trade is more profitable than two actually trades we made in the previous one in here, which touched our stop loss, and actually we were in negative. If we can draw this line here, actually risk to reward line tool, actually sorry, you can see we could have something around risk to reward 13, a fantastic reward. You know, if you lose you're gonna lose one, if you win you're gonna win actually two and even more. Okay, like here 13. But you know, yeah, this is a part of our job. Stop loss, we cannot run away from that. Right now the price in the 15-minute time frame, we do have this box. Actually we can go for buy positions on the low of this box and go for sell positions on the top of this box if we see some nice candles. Okay, some green candles on the support here, some red candles, nice red candles on this resistance area here. But if we break this box, we can go for sell position or buy positions if we break from upside. Yeah, it was about today's analysis on silver. Let's switch to the part, my positions part, and see what happened there. Welcome back, traders. Here we are on the silver chart, 5-minute time frame, and we are on 13th of March 2023. Then I'm gonna show you the 3 positions I made on it and see how I enter positions and how I set my stop loss and how I exit my position. You can learn from them and you can trade based on them in the live market. Okay, as you can see on the first position, we do have this trend line broken here. We can go for buy position here, put our stop loss somewhere safe, and it gave us something around risk to reward 3. We risk this red area to earn this green area. Okay, actually our reward must be at least 2. You know, if we risk 1, we have to win 2. That our, you know, money management can be, you know, true and work properly for us. And on the second position we did have this small trend line. As always, this is a small trend line on this time frame, but it is a big big trend line on the smaller time frames, like 1-minute time frame. Okay, and we had this like this one, and when we see that shadow there, we extend the trend line. After that we see this green candle breaks out of that, we enter the buy position, put our stop loss somewhere safe, and it gives us something around 4 here. We could also enter a buy position on this trend line too with the break here and go for buy position. On the last position I made, which was a fantastic position too, we had this trend line with 2 touches. On the third time it was broken here. We could risk here and go for buy position, put our stop loss below the candle or somewhere safer here, or even here and here. Okay, it depends on you. And look for risk to reward too, which it gives us something around 13. A fantastic reward. You know, it means you can lose 13 positions in a row. It is exactly like that. And one thing you should know is, actually, you can take until risk to reward 13. Okay, you can close your position somewhere here, like here, or even here, or whatever you like. Okay, wherever you like. But it had the potential to give us a reward of 13. Okay, this was about all today's positions, actually yesterday positions that I'm showing you today. Yeah, thanks for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. It's some clicks for you, but it really helps me and gives me the energy to make better videos for you. Thank you and bye bye.